Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's try to create this presentation, this slide. Let's see what is so amazing about this slide. You see, it's beautiful. If you want to like and create the presentation like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's fast try to create this. At first, we need to insert two videos from the stock. You can add them from the stock video or your device video. It's all up to you from where you chose. We go by stock videos. Wait a little for them to load. I don't know why my connection is a little laggy, but it's not a problem. We can wait for the video to be downloaded. Okay, the video are here. We need two videos. The first one is that graduation part. Let's go. We need this video for the text and another video. I think this is the another video. Okay, we insert both of them. You wait a little to download them. I don't prefer to use much videos on a presentation because it makes your presentation heavy and I don't like it. Okay, we insert a blank space and create a text box and put the graduation in it. Now, let's write the graduation in text box. Okay, in this size, graduation. You can paste everything you want, or you can use also a spell check here. Let's change the font to impact and make it as big as you need it. We need, we need this size. It's good. Now, align it in the center and the middle. Now you need to copy your video, paste it here, and select both of them and go to. You see, nothing is happening when you want to select both of them because it has a little trick. Let's say it is our text. Let me change it in color. When you select both of them, there is no option here, but you can search for the option. What? Can you guess? We have a great option in shape format called merge. You can search for merge shapes and you see intersect. Okay, we make a mistake. What mistake we make? We must create the last and the second one. It's important in which order select them, not fragment. Now you see the video is created. Now we go to playback and here we are going to set the video to start from where it's important to playback and in automatically. Now we just delete this text, copy this video and paste it here and go here and just set the automatically. Now we run the slide. We have a problem. What the problem is, some of them is running faster than the another one. Because of that, we are going to in automatically and we are going to put it in click sequence. Now let's run it with just a little tap. Your great style have been created. Okay everybody, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then.